Chapter 7.5 covers compound interest. You'll see your formula on page 338, but I would rather you use this different formula just because it's a little bit easier for you to use. It has all the other variables in it that you're going to need instead of having to make substitutions. So this is your formula that you're going to need to use for compound interest. It has the A for the amount, the P for principal, and the amount that you're talking about for the A is the future value, just like it was before, the amount of the future value, just like you've had. P for principal, which is your original amount, just like it's been in all the other things. R for your interest rate. Remember, you change your percentages to decimals. N for the number of times it's compounded, and that's in a year. So you may need to look at that a little more here. Let's talk about that a little bit. Some of these will say compounded quarterly, so that N would be a 4 because that's 4 times in a year. If it says annually, that's 1 time per year, so that number is going to change. If it says monthly, you would put a 12 for N. If it says semi-annually, you would put a 2 in there for N. If, of course, it said daily, you would put a 365 for N. Weekly, put a 52 in there for N. So you're making these calculations based on years, so it's going to tell you how many times it's compounded by one of these words that it gives you. So that's what you put in for N, and you'll put that same number here. And then T in this book is going to be the number of years that you're talking about. So if you were compounding quarterly for 5 years, this NT would actually be a 20 that would go in there. So this is the formula that you want to use, and then I'll do some separate videos for the actual calculations.